Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm sharing with you my husband's healthy lunchbox recipes. 5 different easy and healthy recipes that I packed for my husband Monday to Friday. Since I was a bit confused whether to post a longer video with all the 5 recipes, that is Monday to Friday, I asked your suggestion on the YouTube community poll and 77% voted for individual recipe. So I'm breaking up the recipe and will be uploading one by one and make it into a series which I will be adding to a playlist. I hope these lunchbox recipes will give you an idea on how to make office lunchboxes healthy with easily available and inexpensive ingredients. So let's begin with Monday. Mondays are usually hectic for me after the relaxed weekend. So I always meal prep on Sunday evening to make my Mondays a lot easier. Apart from making sure I have some dosha batter, which I do on Sunday, I also need whole wheat atta for the roti and store in the fridge. So on Sunday night, I make the atta dough, and guys, personally I don't use store-bought whole wheat atta as it has added gluten. So I buy whole wheat grains, wash them thoroughly and then sun dry and give it to the local mill to powder. Since locally milled atta does not have added gluten, you need to activate the natural gluten in the whole wheat flour to make softer rotis. Now the rotis prepared in this way will be soft the whole day, and to understand more about gluten, please do watch my video on gluten. Links will be updated below this video. So as a part of meal prepping, I am getting the wheat dough ready on Sunday night. Now into a bowl, add in 1.5 cups whole wheat flour, add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and mix it lightly. Add in half cup hot boiling water and mix well with the back of a wooden spoon. The hot boiling water will help to activate the natural gluten in the wheat flour. Mix it really well, allow it to cool down, and once it has cooled down and is slightly warm enough to handle, knead it to a soft dough. Now you don't need to add any extra oil while kneading, and once the dough is ready, line an airtight glass container with a cotton napkin and place the dough on it and wrap with the cotton cloth and cover it with the tight lid. Store in the fridge and it will stay good for the next couple of days. And guys, by the way, you can reduce the quantity of atta by half if you prefer. In my case, I also have to plan my son's school lunch box. So that's why I used 1.5 cups of whole wheat atta. The other thing I meal prep is some potatoes for a potato sabji. This is about 4 medium-sized potatoes. I had chopped them and put them in water, and I'm going to store this in the fridge. Now Monday morning, as soon as I get up, I remove the dough and the potatoes from the fridge and keep it on the kitchen counter. I also wash the potatoes a couple of times and keep it on a strainer. Now to make the potato aloo sabji, which is very easy and no onion, ginger or garlic is required. I will be using half of this as a meal prep for Tuesday's lunchbox too. Using a seasoned cast iron pan not only helps you to absorb iron through your food, but you can also make your food with very less amount of oil, and cooking in iron pans also speeds up the cooking and roasting process. Now once the pan is heated, add in 1 tablespoon coconut oil or any unrefined oil from the place you live in. Add in 1 teaspoon jeera, and once it splutters, add in 1.5 to 2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Now Kashmiri chili powder has less heat compared to ordinary chili powder. If you're using ordinary chili powder, reduce by half. You can increase or decrease Kashmiri chili powder to suit your taste. Add in half teaspoon turmeric powder and quickly add in the strained potatoes. Add in salt as needed and mix well. We are not adding any extra water, so cover and cook on low flame. In between, open the lid and give it a stir so that it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. And once the potato is cooked, since we have chopped it into really small pieces, it will get cooked really fast. Add in half teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. It really gives a nice flavor and taste, so try not to omit it. Mix well and let it roast for a couple of minutes. And while it is getting roasted, let's make the rotis. The atta dough by now will have come to room temperature and it will be more easy to handle. So pinch off 2 lemon-sized balls and roll out into thin rotis. Cook on a hot iron tawa and press down with a cotton cloth to help it puff up. And guys, don't put the roti on the gas flame to puff up, as it is not good for health. Okay, once the roti is cooked, add in very little desi ghee and spread it on the roti. Desi ghee will help to bring down the glycemic index of roti. Plus, the healthy fats will keep you fuller for a longer time and also helps to absorb vitamin A, K, E and D. Vitamin D absorption is very crucial in today's hectic lifestyle. Note that you can increase or decrease desi ghee depending on your physical activity. My husband is very active physically, so I kind of plan his meals keeping his activity on that particular day in mind. So always keep an eye on the amount of healthy fats you use in your family's meals. Now back to the potato sabji. Before turning off the flame, I am adding in some kasuri methi, which I had made it myself, and mix it really well before turning off the flame. Place the rotis in a glass container, or you can use a steel container. Add in the aloo sabji into a small katori, and along with this, in another container I have added some vegetables like carrot, cucumber, onion and green chilies, and I'm topping it with some homemade curd. My husband just loves to have curd with his meals irrespective of seasons. Now I'm sprinkling in some pink Himalayan salt and a fat pinch of roasted jeera powder, and lunchbox recipe for Monday is ready. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you will not mix the next lunchbox recipe, and for your ease I will be adding this to a separate playlist. You can also click the playlist series link above the title of this video. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.